Hi, this video is to help support you with the homework from the 7.5 areas of circles Desmos assignment. So if you click on the link that's in your Google Classroom, it'll take you to your Desmos assignment. And you're going to take notes on the piece of paper that you were given in class. If you don't have internet access and you're not able to get to the Desmos assignment, these two homework problems are on there. So you can still complete them, take a picture of your work to turn it in. Okay, so for the first problem, it says, find the area of a circle with a radius of 4 feet. Show your work below. Then we're going to check off the correct answers from the list. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just draw my circle first. And I know I have a radius, so that's from the center out of 4 feet. So my formula for the area of a circle, which we learned today in class, is that the area equals pi r squared. And I know that means the same thing as area equals pi times r times r. So now I just need to substitute in 4 for my radius. And I suggest that you have this also written down in your work so that you can use it on your standards mastery. Okay, so substituting in 4, let's do this. Here's my radius of 4. I'm going to substitute that in. So I'm going to say pi times 4 times 4, or 4 squared, same thing. So I know that 4 times 4 is 16. So I have pi times 16. And I am going to use my calculator. And if you click this little button right here, there's a calculator right on here. And I can say, use my pi function, or I can use 3.14 either way. I'm just going to use my pi function. Pi times 16. So my function, oh, that's not going to help me. Here's my times, pi times 16. So 50.27 or 50.265. So I'm going to come on over to here and say 50.27 or 265. And if you use 3.14, it's going to be an approximation. They're all approximations, so you may get something slightly different, and that's okay. All right, so that was our first part. We showed our work. You can show it here or in your notes, either way. Then we're going to scroll down and click the correct answers. So when I scroll down, I know that I have one answer here, the 50.27, but there's another correct answer. And I want you to notice if we scroll up a little bit, right here, I have 16 times pi because it's that 4 squared. So if I want to be precise, I have to leave it in terms of pi. So my second answer would be 16 times pi square feet. All right, so we have two answers, 16 pi and 57.27 units squared. I'm going to clear this and go on to the next question. Okay, so we're going to look now at homework problem number 2. We want to find the area of the circle and then check the correct areas from the list. So we're again going to have 2. All right, so looking at this problem, I know that I have a diameter that's given to me. So I need to find the radius. But if the diameter is 7, the radius is going to be half of 7, or 3.5 centimeters. And then I'm just going to fill it out here in 3.5 centimeters so that we have 2 radius equal 1 diameter. So filling out my formula for my area, I know my area equals pi r squared, or same exact thing, pi times r times r. Now I'm going to substitute in my 3.5 for r. So I'm going to say pi times 3.5 times 3.5 I'm going to do that in one long equation in my calculator. So I can click my little calculator button right here, and I'm going to say pi times 3.5 times 3.5 equals 38.49 or 38.485, however you want to round it. I'm going to say 38.9. I'm sorry, 38.49, almost 38 and a half. So I'm going to say this equals 38.49. And we're in centimeters, so area is going to be centimeters squared because we said centimeters times centimeters, so centimeters squared. Make sure you add your label on there. Then scrolling down, I want to check off 38.48. Again, it's pi, so it's different ways to round. 38.48 square centimeters. Also, which one of it is in terms of pi? I'm going to recheck that. I'm going to say, what is 3.5 times 3.5 without the pi? I can just delete it there. So 12.25 pi. 12.25 pi. So that's going to be this check right here. All right, you guys. The homework for your challenge options are two very challenging, interesting questions, similar to our pizza question. Which one takes up more space? And then also, like, how do you justify that without the grid lines? So I think they're both pretty interesting questions if you have a moment to complete them. All right, you guys, leave me a private message on Google Classroom if you have a question, or come in during office hours anytime. I hope this video helps. Have a great day.